So I've been scribing the wings on this Zero, and I'm doing a terrible job of it. Most of you guys would be embarrassed to show you what I've done, but I did learn something here, or at least a bit of a technique I haven't seen elsewhere. I thought I'd share it because I tried it on this wing and it works bloody wonderful. And that is, you got a sheet of carbon paper, just your ordinary carbon paper like you used to put in typewriters. It's really cheap now. Cut out the wing on it, and I'm actually reusing the carbon paper from the other wing here. I just cut it out so it doesn't fit exactly now because it was fit to this wing here. And I cut out my wing decal to put on there. Now I just taped it on. I'm going to put one more piece of tape here. And then on the last one I just ran over it with a scriber. Or not with a scriber, but with a dental pick tool. I'm going to actually try going over it this time with my scriber. See how well that works. So. But the idea is just to transfer the paper pattern through the carbon paper. And it doesn't have to be exact. Yeah, the back of the scriber actually works a treat for this. You don't have to be accurate. You just want to get in the general area. Well, as close. You should be as accurate as you can, obviously. But just go over all the lines. And they're going to look drawn on the model, and that's okay, because you're going to use a nice straight edge to clean that up when you get to actually doing the work here. And I'm just using the back side of the scriber to scribe down, or to run down the lines that I want to transfer to the model. And when I pull off the paper, there'll be some hand-drawn looking lines there, and I can use those. This works a lot more accurately than putting dots down. It's much easier to figure out where on the pattern I am. Maybe if I was a better modeler, a bunch of little dots made on the paper would work just fine. But this seems to do a real nice job for me. And then like here, where the paper doesn't line up real well, and so this will fade off, when you actually go to do the scribe, if you do the scribe in a thoughtful order, you can just adjust where the lines are a little bit to get it right. This model is not got the same shape wing as an actual Zero, unfortunately, so my line drawing is not the same as an actual Zero. Or I mean, the effects on the wing are not exactly the same. But I can get close enough that I can make the wing look like it would look if it was a Zero wing, for lack of a better way to put it. And really, that is your goal, I think, in most of this. At least as good as imitation of it as I can do. For now, I'm going to skip doing these two panels. I'm going to skip all the circles. I've got a circle scribe coming in the mail. I just don't have it here right now. So I'll describe those later. By looking at the paper, I can tell the score marks where I've gone over it or not. Make sure I got all the traces through. It's kind of like looking for all the holes when you punch holes in it, which is a handy trick that Chris showed me on a hangout that saved me doing it all with calipers, but I'm just inventing on top of that. And now, as you can see there, hopefully you can see that, I've drawn on the wing a pattern that is all the lines in carbon, and that carbon will just wipe off, so it's not going to stay or anything. And now I can take my handy dandy scribing edge, put it down somewhere that I want to scribe. This is probably not the best one to show you on. I'll show you this nice big long one. I've proven live on video in a hangout that if I don't have a line, I just have some dots, I can't find the line and follow it. With the carbon, I have no problem finding the line to put the paper in the right spot. Now this isn't the line that I would normally scribe first. I should have done the one on the tip. So I'm going to have to come to a kind of funny end here. And I'm not real good at following the thing, so don't take this as a scribing video by any stretch. I'm not trying to show you scribing. I'm trying to show you some layout. tricks. This is the line I should have scribed before I scribed that one. And one slight variation on that is if you want to line it up with the backside. Now I happen to know that that lined up, so I wasn't too worried about it. But if you want to line it up with the backside, you can actually come to your scribe mark on the backside, which you guys can't see on the video. Line your tape up, your little piece of styrene sheet. So this is, I think, half, maybe 3/4. Line it up with where the line is there. Bring it around to the front. And now you have a line that goes around, the panel line that goes around the front correctly and is going to match up every time. And then if it doesn't line up exactly on your black mark, well, that's artistic license. You just need to make sure that it looks right. This is modeling. We are trying to make it as accurate as possible, but even more important, we're trying to make it look right, which is why our model colors are lighter. Lots of other things in modeling are not exactly the same as real life. You're trying to emulate something from real life. So anyway, that's a technique that I hope will save some people a lot of time. You gotta do a bunch of panel lines that are completely gone for some reason, like you had to sand the model to smithereens to try and make it look okay, as in this case. Good way to get panel lines back down really fast and make them really easy to find and follow. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.